If you're new to affiliate marketing and want to get started, first and foremost, I recommend that you watch my affiliate marketing introduction series. But in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started. We're going to do a few things here. One of the first steps in affiliate marketing is to join an affiliate network, which is where you can find things to sell or link to and earn commissions. This is the first step. If you want to find a product, go to the next step. Our second item will be a specific product that you can sell on the internet and make money with. So that will be our second item. The third thing we're going to do is put it on the market and sell it. Now, if you're a genuine action taker, I advocate going through all of the stages in this video, and you can actually start earning your first commissions right now if you do. So let's get started on my computer, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. So here I am, and if we Google only affiliate networks, for example, we'll get a slew of hits, a lot of results. And if we search into the top 10 affiliate networks that aren't Amazon, we'll find a slew of them. Clickbank, JVZoo, GiddyUp, ShareASale, Avangate, and so on. What factors do you consider while deciding which organizations to join? First and foremost, Amazon and Clickbank are two excellent affiliate networks to join. So it's quite simple to join Amazon's affiliate network, and I'll teach you how. Now, if you're on Amazon, click this link. Okay, as you can see, I'm on Amazon.com. We'll go to the bottom of the page and scroll down. We can see in the bottom that it states, "Make money with us." Okay, that's right there. And you'll learn that there are numerous methods to generate money with Amazon. Selling, private label brands, company, and so on are all possibilities. But we're most interested in becoming an affiliate. Right now, that's where we're going to start. As a result, when we click on this, we'll see and we'll be able to benefit from our experience. With a reputable e-commerce giant, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees. Join for free right now. Okay,